Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to chat in Threads app. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, let's open up our Threads app. And then here you can see there are a lot of posts. While Threads app don't really have the option to chat to someone. Well, if you want to contact them or send them a message, you just clearly add a comment to their post. I just want make sure to public your profile, and there you can add your message. Now if you don't want to comment to their post, just you can click this icon right here and you can repost or add a code to there, and then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.